We're back here at the garage. It's been a while since the last videos, and before we actually start with this video, I have some explanations to do. So, first up, I know it's been a while since the last videos, and I know that there were some huge gaps in between. Since the last video, you guys saw that the car is finally running better than ever. It's healthy, it's all good. And since then, I didn't record any clips, but I've had the car out and I've been driving it around. We went on a few trips around here in our city, not anywhere far away because I'm still scared of the tires and I wasn't sure if all the engine stuff were good. The car is good. I've been like redlining it. I've been doing stupid shit all the time and the car is good. The car is really fun. And I've been enjoying it so much the last 2 weeks, because it's been like, I think, yeah, exactly 2 weeks since the car actually fired up for the first time. And yeah, it's a blast. The tires and the wheels were holding us back. I couldn't really enjoy it. Same for the suspension. I haven't like taken it for a proper ride on Toge roads and stuff. We were just like cruising in the city and stuff. Apart from all the good news though, I have some bad news. So let's walk at the back of the car. I think you guys will understand what I mean if I go back here. Okay? So I have to show you something. Do you see something missing? If you said your license plate is missing, you're right. So on the last drive, while we were driving back, there was a police stop. They stopped a Ferrari and then me. And they were like, you have your license plate right here, if you guys remember it, right here, instead of the front. And we cannot see it. They did not care about the front light, they did not care about the exhaust, they did not care about anything. Oh, also this happened on the first day of the exhaust, so I was like, we're done. We're getting a ticket for the exhaust. They said that about the plate. The police officer was actually really good, but the second police officer was not. The one that did the checks was good. The one that wrote the ticket was not. So the second police officer wrote me a ticket, and it was like 350 euros ticket plus 1 month without my driving license and 1 month without my plates. So for a whole month, I cannot go anywhere. The weather is perfect outside. I cannot go literally anywhere. Neither with this car or any car. I went to the police station a few days later to ask maybe to remove the fine, like the 350 euros, and let them keep the license and my driving license and the license plate, and they said no. So we are cooked for a whole month. The good news is my suspension and the tires and wheels will not be here for another month, so that's good. But I still cannot drive anywhere for a whole month. We have like, I think 3.5 weeks left. No, 3 weeks left, exactly. That's it. Those are the bad news. Continuing with the good news though. Number 1, I have an Instagram page. You guys will find it in the description below. I will be posting their updates. And number 2, I have something really fun to show you. I can only show it to you right now. I cannot do a live test, maybe later though. So let me show you. Boom. What's this? The old exhaust. I actually kind of hinted it a few minutes ago when I was saying that it was the first day with the exhaust. So for those who caught it, good job. So back here, it's not just the license plate missing. It's also the exhaust, because the whole back is gone. I don't think you guys can see it. So if in the editing it's not visible, I'm just going to put a picture of the exhaust from when we installed it. Long story short, the back and middle are gone, and we only have a middle one now that's like maybe as long as this one, but it's like way smaller. And the sound of the car it makes, oh my god, it's freaking amazing. So that's that with the news. Let's get started with the video. So from now on, in this video and the next ones, we'll start with the whole interior, gutting the whole place, as I've explained before, gutting the whole place and installing all the new parts that I've already ordered in the past days. So we'll see how that goes. The only thing we are going to keep from the old interior is probably a few of the interior plastics. We'll see. The whole carpet, everything is going out. First up, we'll take off the passenger seat, and next up we're going to remove the interior part of the AC system, because I found a buyer for the whole AC system and he wants that one as well, and I've promised him that it will be ready by today. So I have to remove that as well. So I opened up the soft top as much as it can, because it's getting destroyed every day. And first up, like I said, we're going to remove the passenger seat so we have more space in here, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I've removed the 2 bolts at the back. I'm about to remove the 2 front, and I'm like, maybe it's going to be easier to remove the inner AC part while sitting. And also I've removed the battery to the side because I'm scared of an airbag just blowing up on my head while working on this in here. So yeah, I'm going to search how to remove the part here, and we're going to remove that first, and then we're going to remove the seats. I'll be honest, I just took this off. Boom. You guys can hear from the tone of my voice that god damn was this hard. Like, both the bolts that hold that unit in were in like really bad spots. I had to use like an extension with this thing that like switches angles, and it was like far in. It was the worst thing I've done in a while, and I haven't had any mechanics of this car for a while. So god damn, like the interior so far, and I was 100% sure it will be like that before I started. I was 100% sure that the interior will be worse than the engine. I don't know why, but plastics, oof, they have the tendency to break like so easily. It's going to be a tough one. We have to basically, like I said, remove the whole interior, and I'll keep it without an interior probably. And if I don't like it, I will just either paint everything or sell them and buy a black one, because I really don't like this two-tone beige thing with the brown stuff. I dislike it a lot. Anyways, let's remove the seat now real quick. Oh, before that, actually, I don't know if you guys can see, the new tube has been installed and the whole thing has been removed. We have to remove all these plastics, all of them, the center console. I don't know where I'm going to place this. I need to find somewhere. Anyways, let's remove the seat real quick and make some space. Well, number one, this is heavy as fuck, so weight reduction. Number two, looks cool. Number three, I hope that under the carpet there's no rust, and if there is in some spots, I'll find a way to paint it. Not the whole interior, but those spots. It's been a couple of hours since the last clips, and we're back here at the garage removing all the interior. I have some really bad news when it comes to the soft top. It's destroyed, it's ripped. So I guess we have to find a hard top like way earlier probably because this is like really bad. Anyways, so I'm working again on the interior and I'm taking out the center console right now. I was like, why is it not going out? I removed like the two side screws and these screws right here. I was like, I'm feeling some sort of tension here. And on YouTube, most people said there is a screw underneath the switches, but they were talking about the facelift version. So I was like, where the heck is the screw? And it was in the ashtray, but the ashtray was filled with tobacco from the previous owner, and I could not like see the screw underneath all the tobacco. So now I'm going to take it off finally. So let's see how this goes. Boom and boom. Why is there a cable stuck here? Jesus Christ, look at all the tobacco here. God damn, was this guy smoking a lot. Okay, tomorrow we need to bring the vacuum, because holy fuck, is there a lot of tobacco around here. Does this thing not split into two? So this whole thing is one piece? If so, I'm screwed. Because I wanted to do a removal of all this to possibly either have it without or to paint it black. When I bought the car, I was like, yeah, I don't care about the brownish interior because I'm going to remove it anyways, but it's going to be a bit harder than I expected, honestly. I really wasn't expecting this. So it's been a few days since the last clips. I stopped recording that day because I got really mad. We did a bit of progress. I'm going to show you right now, and I'll show you why I stopped, because I was not expecting this, honestly. So let's go. I thought that if we removed everything, these plastics, 1, 2, 3 on this side and the fourth on the other side, will be removable. But turns out this whole thing is one piece. I thought that the black part was one piece, then the brown parts were different parts, okay? But they're not. So if I want to have just the top, I have to remove the whole thing and cut it right here, like in the lines around like here and stuff. And right now I don't think I'm willing to do that. I don't think I have the energy to do that thing right now. So I had a different idea. I got some Alcantara like sticker from Temu a few months ago. I don't know if you guys remember the unboxing, if I even showed that. So I got one of the plastics and I wrapped it in this black Alcantara, except this corner. And honestly, it's been looking really good. So yesterday I ordered 2 more rolls, like huge pieces, and we're basically going to apply it on all the brown parts. Both these ones here and the ones back here. I was also thinking of removing the whole carpet, but the carpet also goes below the dashboard, so I have to remove the dashboard to remove the carpet, probably. So we're not gonna do that either. We're gonna keep the brown carpet, just have all the plastics black. Yeah, it's going to be again a two-tone, but it's not that much. So it's gonna be all black with brown carpet. If I can find someone, or if I can do it, I might paint the carpet. We'll see. And in a few years, when I do a coolant reroute, that I will also delete the heater core, which I have to remove the dashboard for that. We'll probably go full racing mode and remove the carpet, cut the dashboard, do stuff like that, if I still like the car. So yeah, I think that's a good option for in between. A few parts also arrived 2 days ago. I've already installed them. Maybe you guys already saw them in these clips. There are 3D prints. I'm going to show them to you right now. We got these vents instead of these ones, instead of these classic ones that they have the ball and you spin them. I got these ones that basically open, they rotate. They're kind of like the, I think, 350Z vents. You press and they open, because I want them closed always. I never use neither AC. Well, we removed that. We changed all the vents with these ones, except from this one right here. As you can see, it is now a phone mount. You can place your phone on there and have Waze or Google Maps or whatever you want. And last part is back here. We got a plug for the antenna delete. So yeah, that's that for the updates. I'm going to continue with removing the stuff in the interior. I have to remove the driver's seat, and then I'm going to vacuum the whole inside of the car. So as you guys can see, everything is out. Both the seats are out and they will never go back in. I mean, the driver, the passenger will probably go back in. This is the state of the carpet so far, especially right here. God damn. It's been a couple of days since the last clips. Our temp order finally arrived, and we have this. Weights. Let me take out. Is our Alcantara wrap. So I'm going to start wrapping all the interior. I don't know if I'll do a time lapse. I'll start with the small stuff. Also, we are currently also recording something here. I'm not going to say it because I'm going to spoil it. But yeah, we're going to start with not dyeing, but like skinning. I don't know. We're gonna start with placing the sticker on all the brownish plastics. I'm going to bring the light and we're going to start. Damn, my hair. Anyways, I'm currently in vacation editing this video, and I will have to cut this video short because if I added all the rest of the clips of this video, of adding all the new stuff, all the upgrades, it will be over an hour long, and I really don't want to upload such a big video. So I will cut this here. We removed all the stuff from the interior, we cleaned it, and it's time to install all the new parts. I also want to let you know that for the rest of the month, I will be uploading every Sunday a video. So I hope you guys are excited, and I also hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Please take care and have a good day. Goodbye.